morning, friends. We'll see problem number 12 in your board's book. That is problem 12, page number 122, which is given to us. So in that problem, following is the receipts and payment account of Dhananjay Library, Mumbai for the year ended. They are given to us receipts payment account, and after that they are given the adjustment here. With the help of that, we have to prepare income and expenditure account and the balance sheet as on 31st March 2020. We have to prepare this. In this problem, they are not given to us the capital fund. Whenever capital fund is not given, therefore we have to prepare opening balance sheet for that. To ascertaining the capital fund, we have to prepare opening balance sheet, which is prepared here to ascertaining the capital. Therefore, please prepare here first will be the working notes here. Therefore, working notes, because they are not given to us the working notes. Opening balance sheet we have to prepare here, working note. So that is calculation of capital fund. Calculation of capital fund. So for this we have to prepare a balance sheet. Therefore prepare balance sheet as on balance sheet as on 1/4/2019 we have to prepare. In that balance sheet we have to prepare here opening balance sheet to ascertaining the capital fund. Simple balance sheet you have to prepare here. And how to prepare that balance sheet I tell you now. First you take here like this assets and liabilities, because capital fund is nothing but excess of assets or liabilities in accounts of non-profit concern. So we will take here liabilities, amount rupees, and assets, amount rupees. We must take into consideration here. Then how to prepare that balance sheet we'll see. So for balance sheet, first you have to take the asset which is given to you. Just see. Number 1. On 31st/3/2019, the library had the following asset. They are given books. In that take books here. Last year's balance. So books is given to you on 1/4/2019. The amount being 50,000 here. Take that books here, 50,000. The last year balance, assets as well as liability will take here. Books is given, furniture 6,500. And take this furniture which is given to us 6,500. After that, one more asset is given to you, that is machinery, 30,000. Machinery 30,000 given to us. We'll take this machinery 30,000 is the amount there. So these are the things here. These are the things we'll take into consideration here. Machinery 30,000. That is machinery 30,000. And after this, we'll take here cash balance here, opening cash balance 5,000. Take that cash. Cash is 5,000. Opening balance, which is given on the receipt side, to balance brought down 5,000. That is cash balance 5,000. We'll take there. So in the receipts and payment account, see whether any last year expenses or assets, anything is given to you. Just they are given on the payment side. Outstanding expenses for 2018-19 given to you. So that I will take there. Outstanding expenses being liability. Therefore I will take this on the liability side, outstanding expenses. So that is amount given to you. That outstanding expenses is here 500. So that's it for the assets and liabilities for the last year, and it is the enough information to ascertaining the capital fund here. So we'll take here just what I take, just see. Opening balances of books taken 50,000 given, furniture 6,500 given, Machinery 30,000 given, and this cash balance on the receipt side, opening balance I will take there. For the opening balance is cash balance taken there. And here on the payment side of receipts and payment side, one more outstanding expense is for 2018-19 501 that I will show on the liability side. Now I will take this total and ascertain the balancing figure in the capital fund here. So if you take this total, so it comes to here just here. You take the total here. By taking total 0, 0, 5, 6, carry 1, 8 and 9, 91,500. Put the same here, 91,500. And the balancing figure will be capital fund, that is capital fund will be 91,000. So this is the balancing figure we have to ascertain capital fund. This is balancing figure right here, which is useful for us to preparation of the closing balance sheet. This is the capital fund. We have to ascertain by taking into consideration the last year balance sheet, that is assets as well as liabilities. So there are books, furniture and machinery asset, and opening cash balance will take there, and there is outstanding expense for the last year 18-19. So 500. So I will take all asset on the asset side and this outstanding liability on the liability side. I will get the balancing figure 91,000, and that being the balancing figure for us. This is the capital fund. After preparation of this, we will solve this problem by preparation of these things. So this is the things here we can take into consideration there. After this, we will prepare the full balance sheet here. So this is the working note we will get here 91,000. After 91,000, we have to prepare the balance sheet here, closing, because requirement is asked here. These are by means of working notes to ascertaining the capital fund. We have to prepare it. So therefore, you can show here like that. So now, as usual, we will prepare here the balance sheet. So we will take into consideration the balance sheet here like this: assets, liabilities, and so far ascertainment of the capital fund. We will take this capital fund here. So ascertainment is already capital fund here. We must take into consideration that capital fund, and preparation of this income and expenditure we will prepare now here. Firstly, we will take the here. First, we will take the tick marks on the given item. So I will ascertainment that capital fund, and right here capital fund opening balance. Capital fund opening balance is given to you. Opening balance just now ascertainment by means of working note. It is coming 91,000. I will take there 91,000 here. And after that, I will go on making tick mark for this. So tick mark for this will be here. Just see there, subscription is given to you. Tick mark on the subscription. And salaries also tick mark there. Rent tick mark. Admission fees tick mark. And furniture depreciated. And library books were purchased, they are given to you. That is depreciation there. Investment purchase 1/4/2019, and they carry the interest of 20% on that. Just we'll see and go on making calculation of this one by one. We'll make the comparison of the payment for the first time. Payment is compared for the first time to the expenditure, and salary is given to you is the first item. I like this salary. Salary is given, and that amount of salary is 9,000, and keep this inner column because adjustment is there. Just salary is 9,000. And regarding the salaries, outstanding salary 1,300, they are given to us the adjustment. So add outstanding salaries. Add outstanding salaries. Amount is 1,300. Amount goes to the outer now, 10,300 outer column. And this outstanding salary we have shown the liability side of the balance sheet. Outstanding salaries. This is the current year adjustment. Amount of outstanding salary there, still it is paid, still in arrears. 1,300. Then after that we'll take a rent, and rent, regarding rent there is adjustment to rent. Rent, adjustment on rent is there 7,500. I will take this 7,500 here inner column because adjustment is there. I will take this 7,500 rent in our column, and adjustment is given to you number 2 itself, third itself, that is outstanding salary 1,300 and rent for 950. So add outstanding rent also there 950 and outstanding rent 950 and take here. Then I will put in outer column for 0, second 5, and it is 14 carries on 8,450. So 8,450 is the total, and this outstanding salary once again we can show here. Outstanding salaries. Outstanding means added to the concern item and show to the liable side. So here added to rent and outstanding rent we can show on the liable side. The amount is there 950 rupees. So salary as well as outstanding rent is there, both are shown there and both are added to the respective item there, we can show there. After this investment is asset there. Before that we will take the fixed asset. So I will take investment here. Take inner column investment. So just see whether the investment is there. Investment is there in the opening balance sheet. We have not taken investment in opening balance sheet because in the current year they made investment 6,000 and adjustment on that last 7th. The investment were purchased on 1/4/2019. They carried interest at the rate of 20%. So if we carry the amount is given to us, the investment is 6,000 and for carrying this will be interest 20%. So 1/4 means it is complete here. We have to show the investment there and carries 20%. If we can calculate 20% on it, cancelling 600 and double will be 1,200. So there is 1,200 will be the interest. But just see friends here, they are given to you interest on investment is already received is 900. But we want to receive that, that is total will be 1,200. Out of that 900 is already collected. Therefore I will take there here also by interest, which is shown interest on investment shown on the receipt side. I will show this income side. It is already collected is 900. But if you calculate 20% on it, it comes to 1,200. Therefore, still it is outstanding for outstanding interest on investment. Outstanding interest on investment for 300 and totally it comes to 1,200. And that I will add here, add outstanding interest. Outstanding interest 300. Therefore, total will be 6,300. Just once again, I will explain this matter. So they are already collected. If you calculate the investment 20%, outstanding interest will be at the rate 20%. If you calculate, you get there 1,200 investment total will be there. This is the investment 1,200 is the total. Out of that 1,200 they already collected here, this side 900. Therefore still there will be receivable 300 rupees. So I add this 300 and here also added 300, 6,300 including that interest is coming there. Then after stationery, no more adjustment on stationery and take care to stationery. No opening closing. And regarding stationery, I think there is no adjustment on the stationery amount 1,350. 1,350 stationery, no adjustment. After stationery, electric charges 850, that's also no adjustment. To electric charges. No adjustment on that ground also. Amount is given 850, no adjustment, being expenses shown on the expenditure side. Books. So here books I will take here. Books. I will take opening balance of books. Opening balance which is given on the opening balance sheet. We have taken their books here. Library books is 50,000. It is books library. You can take the library books 50,000. And additions made here. Library books was purchased on 1st April 2019 and it was charged at the rate of 10%. So here again they have purchased the book is 5,000. So add purchases. Additions made here, purchases 5,000 and total books is purchased totally 55,000. So just see there is opening balance of the library 50,000 is there. Library books we can show already shown in the opening balance sheet, and that will take here also. And the additions made on 1/4/19 means complete year 5,000. So it is purchases made 1/4/2019 means at the commencement of the year we have taken these 5,000 purchases, so 55, and that charge depreciation here, less depreciation. So depreciation given to us at the rate will be, depreciation on library books will be 10%. I'll take this 10% here. How to calculate 10%? Just cancel 1 0, you get that 10%. So cancelling 1 0, you get that 5,500 depreciation, and deduction out of 0, 5 carries 1, that is 619 remains, and 49,500 is the amount. So depreciation, furniture is also given to you, as well as library book is also given to you. Therefore, I will take this year to depreciation on. I will take their books, which is getting here now. Books depreciation is 5,500. 5,500, and the furniture, just we have to take care, right here, furniture depreciation which is given to us. Furniture, then to asset depreciation. Then I will take the furniture here. That is books is there. And outstanding expense is 2018, 500, not to be taken because we already taken in the last year's liability side of the balance sheet, not to be taken here. Now, carried on balance for 650, I will take here cash balance. So I will take here cash balance. 6,000 they are given to us. Sorry, 4,650 is the balance. Closing balance 6,000, 4,650. Cash balance. So that's it. Salary is all, rent is all, investment is all, stationery is all, electric charges. We have taken books also shown on the asset side there, along with the additions made there, opening and additions, and depreciation also taken into consideration there. Outstanding expense is not to be taken because it is taken in the opening balance sheet, not to be taken here, and the balance carried out. After this, we'll take the subscription is the main part here by subscription. Subscription given in the problem is subscription is 20,000 is given in the receipt side, 20,000. And just see there given to us the adjustment of this round. Subscription is given to you. The amount of subscription 20,000 and adjustment number 2. Subscription received in advance 500. So you have to less received in advance. Less subscription received in advance. Subscription received in advance. The amount is given to you. Subscription which is received in advance is 500. We have to deduct here. So amount goes to the outer column 19,500. No more adjustment on the subscription. Therefore, I will deduct this 500 and show to the outer column of the that is outer column of the income side there. Subscription is the main part, and the income it is deducted there. And this deduction, the subscription received in advance, we must show on the liability side of the balance sheet. Just see, that is subscription received in advance 500. We have to show here. Subscription received in advance. Subscription received in advance. Subscription received in advance. Subscription received in advance. You can show there directly liability side of the balance sheet amount being 500 here. Just see, deducted and shown on the liability side. Any item added shown on the asset side, income side, any added item can show on the asset side, deducted on the liability side here. So it is received in advance, deduction, and show liability side of the balance sheet. After that, we'll see the admission fees. And regarding admission fees, there is adjustment. I will take care by admission fees. By admission fees. The amount of admission fees is given to you 4,500. 4,500 admission fees. After admission fees, there is adjustment. Adjustment given admission fees number 4. 50% of admission fee should be capitalized. Less 50%. 50% capitalized. 50% capitalized means 2,250 and outer 2,250 outer column. And this capitalization of admission fee had to add to the capital fund, which is already calculated by means of working notes, and 50% admission fees capitalized. It is 50% means 2,250. 0, 5, 2, 3 and 9. 9 rupees goes to us. So we get here.
You know just what to say.